Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to repost someone's status on WhatsApp. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. WhatsApp recently introduced a handy mention feature for status, making it easy for users to repost moments they're directly tagged in, much like Instagram stories. Now, if someone includes you in their status updates, you can instantly share it with your own status with your contact. No need for screenshots or extra steps. So how to do it is so simple. So in here, I have two WhatsApp, and I will try to create status from this one and repose it from this account, from this app, the original. Now let's try to create the status first. For the example, we'll try to choose this picture. Now, let's try to mention. I will mention my account. I can share it. When someone mention us on their status, we'll get notification like this one. You can repost it by open the status, and there is an option add to status. You can just tap on that. So it turns out like this. You can change the caption if you want to. And you can share it. And it will turns out like this on your WhatsApp status. So cool, right? So that is how to repost someone's status on WhatsApp. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.